This week, the Federal Reserve will announce the interest rates and the Consumer Price Index, CPI. How will this affect the market? More speculations with the XRP price and what the future will bring. Updates on the XRP versus Securities and Exchange Commission lawsuit and a conference call that could be a turning point for the whole case. Keep watching for more information. Hello to the XRP News community, welcome to a new video. If this is the first time you see one of our videos, we send a special greeting, and we encourage you to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell notifications, so you do not miss any videos. I want to tell you that this channel gives away 200 XRP. For a chance to participate, all you must do is subscribe, like the video and leave a comment. The winner will be announced on the 15th of June. In addition to this, get 100 extra XRP if you are on our Telegram channel. The link is in the description. More updates on the Ripple versus Securities and Exchange Commission lawsuit. There is already a conference call requested for this week by Judge Sarah Netburn to discuss the SEC motion to dismiss the presentation of Hinman's emails. Remember, Ripple's rebuttal argument is based on a speech given by Securities and Exchange Commission former Director of the Division of Corporate Finance, William Hinman. In his speech, Hinman stated that the cryptocurrency Ether, the native currency to Ethereum, was no longer a security as it had become sufficiently decentralized over time. Based on this speech, Ripple has requested in court for the SEC to hand in 70 emails circulating in the agency regarding William Hinman and his speech. The SEC claims deliberative process privilege and attorney-client privilege for not turning over the emails. Ripple counsel responded to the attorney-client privilege claims made by the SEC and pointed to 4 reasons why the claim was without merit. First, the record in this case demonstrated that Mr. Hinman delivered his speech in his personal capacity. He sought input from SEC colleagues as to how best to package his remarks. That certain colleagues discussed legal concepts in some of their responses does not make them legal advice, protected with attorney-client privilege. Second, circuit law makes clear that advice on policy or messaging issues, even from lawyers, is not protected by the attorney-client privilege. While Mr. Hinman was entitled to communicate with SEC lawyers and to receive privileged legal advice when discharging his role as the Director of Corporation Finance, communications about the substance of his personal remarks are not within the scope of any attorney-client relationship. Third, the communications do not include confidential information concerning the agency. Only confidential information would be protected by the attorney-client privilege. Finally, even if the SEC could establish the elements of the privilege belongs to Mr. Hinman, and the SEC lacks standing to assert on that. The SEC replied back stating that even if the speech had personal views, Hinman did not give his speech in his personal capacity. For that reason, the attorney-client privilege protects the legal advice Director Hinman obtained from SEC counsel during the development of the speech. There are no rumors or speculations of what the conference call will be about, but for sure the XRP community is ready for the litigation to be over. For once, because they are expecting regulatory clarity, and second, the relisting of XRP, one of the most traded digital assets in the world. Previous scheduled conference calls appointed by the judge could be called in and listened to by over 3,000 people. This call won't be an exception, although nothing has been posted about the number of listeners that will be able to attend. Some listeners that got the chance to attend the previous conference calls posted on Twitter live updates of what was going on. We expect the same thing will happen this time. On XRP price and predictions for the future, we can say the token has created a range, extending from 39 cents to 45 cents and has stayed within it for the most part, bouncing 38% from the May 12th swing low at 33 cents. Now, there is a chance for the XRP price to sweep the equal lows formed at $0.375 and take a U-turn. Assuming bulls step in and rescue Ripple, the resulting rally will likely sweep the range high at $0.450. Remember, these predictions are based on the opinion of experts and do not constitute in no way financial advice. The narrative is based on the fact that bulls rescue Ripple around the $0.375 barrier. If the buyers fail to assert dominance, the sellers will likely take control and crash the XRP price lower. If the $0.375 barrier is breached, the XRP price could plummet lower and retest the $0.338 support floor. This week, however, there is big news coming from the financial market. The Federal Reserve will announce what they'll do with interest rates and, more important, the Consumer Price Index, CPI. That is big news because the last 3 times the CPI was announced, Bitcoin and some of the rest of the market's prices begin to decline. It's impossible to confirm it the same will happen this time, but it's important to be vigilant of the prices once the new numbers are announced. Anyway, during the World Economy Forum in Davos, Brad Garlinghouse, Ripple's CEO, discussed the company's growth, and according to him, Ripple Labs has a very strong balance sheet. When discussing the future, he stated that Ripple Labs will probably participate on mergers and acquisitions deals, where Ripple Labs will be the buyer more than the seller. I think there'll be an uptick in M&A in the blockchain and crypto space, Garlinghouse explained during an interview with CNBC. We haven't seen that yet. But I think that's likely in the future. And I certainly think as that unfolds, we would consider things like that. During the latter part of 2021 and the first quarter of 2022, there have been a number of acquisitions in the crypto space, which were the firsts and are encouraging others. Some of the latest acquisitions occurred in April and May, when the payments, checkout and shopper network, Bolt, acquired Wire for $1.5 billion, and Huobi Global revealed it acquired the Latin American crypto exchange Bitex. There's a lot of room for growth in crypto, and we're looking at a lot of different niches for it, Garlinghouse added. Meanwhile, the crypto asset XRP is the 7th largest market capitalization among more than 13,400 crypto assets in existence today. As of today, however, XRP has lost 59.2% against the US dollar and 34% was lost during the past 30 days. So, we come to the end of the video. If you liked it, we would appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and give a like. We publish a daily video. You should also share the video with someone that you think can be useful. See you in the next video.